Good morning from Robertson's Landscaping. Hope y'all are doing all right today. Finally decided to get the SM-32 Sawmill across the street where it's going. Honestly didn't know how I was going to get it over here. The Bx23s really can't lift that much, and that by itself is almost 1,000 pounds. And I put a shim kit in the BX here, and it does a whole lot more than it should. So I might only got it about 1 inch off the ground, but I was able to get it from across the street and get it to where it's going. So don't ever doubt these little subcompact tractors if you really need something done. So hopefully the next video we'll be putting this thing together and sawing a log. Have a good day.